I find it so crazy that a lot of people struggle with supply and demand. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to plot the zones, exactly how to find supply and demand, and just show you some raw footage of what I do on a daily basis to find my levels. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and let's get right into it. So just for today's example, I have Tesla up on the screen. I haven't charted Tesla in a while, so I want to just chart it for you guys. And the plan is to do this together. So as I go through my zones, what I want you guys to do is to pause the video, go to the Tesla chart, and find the zone yourself. By watching me and also doing it, you will learn so much more rather than if you just watch this video and don't apply the skill. So please, as you're watching this video, make sure to pause it, comment down below, of course, and draw out the zones on your screen as well. I find the majority of my zones on the 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15 minute time frames. In my mind right now, I can see a clear supply and a clear demand. Maybe you can't, but I definitely can. So let's go to the drawing tools and let's grab the rectangles here. So when forming this supply zone, I see a wick high of 217.78 on the 1 hour, and I'm going to use the body lows of where the move started to happen. So right here. Now, once I mark this zone out, I'm going to draw it all the way to current price action. Boom. Just like that. Now we have the supply zone all marked out. Now we have to find a demand zone. Looking for the demand zone on the hourly, we need to find the significant move. Obviously, the supply zone we marked was a significant move. We had a move to the upside at 217.82. We bounced it once, and we ended up rejecting and making a large move down that day and a continuation for the days later. Now we have to find where the move continued to the upside. Just looking on the 1 hour time frame, I could see that this 190 area looks like a pretty good area. So we made this low of 187.84 and the move started to happen at this area. So what we need to do is chart this wick low to body high and extend it all the way to current price action. Now we have an hourly demand zone and an hourly supply zone. This demand zone has already been used multiple times. As you can see, price action bounced here once, twice, 3 times in the past 2 weeks. Therefore, there is a lot of buyers down in this area, and if price action ended up coming back down, I would expect buyers to still be present in this area. Now that we have higher time frame supply and demand charted, let's go to the smaller time frames. On the 15-minute chart, we can see a high of 209.77 in the aftermarket, but then we gap down, we come back and retest that area and make a significant move to the downside. Therefore, I want to chart this area. So to draw this zone on the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to use the wick high to the body low of this candle, and I'm going to draw it all the way across the current price action. I'm going to make this a different color so I know this is a lower time frame zone. So as of right now, this is what our chart looks like. We have a very big demand zone, we have a high time frame supply zone, and we also have a low time frame supply zone. It's currently 121 and price action is getting close to this supply zone. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a rejection here if we can get up there today. What is up, guys? I just wanted to update you on this video. So first I recorded the video of me charting the zones around 1 o'clock. Now it's around 3 o'clock EST. So we can update the zones a little bit. On Tesla, this was our 15-minute supply zone. As we can see, we charted this out at this 209.77 area. We came up. We ended up touching the zone and rejecting. And this is exactly why zones work, because previous sell orders were sitting here, price entered the zone, and sellers were filled, pushing the price down. From the top to the bottom here was a $1 to $2 move, and it could have made you a lot of money off of that trade. I just want to update you on that and show you the power of zones. Let's look at it on the 5-minute chart here. We had some consolidation up in the zone, failure of the zone, and a few candles down. Perfect explanation. Say if price action actually closes at this 207.3 and opens up around this 207.3, I believe this 15-minute zone would serve as a really good rally-based rally zone for a continuation to the upside. Essentially, tomorrow price action could look like this. We open up here, price would enter the zone, we see some consolidation, and then we see a nice move to the upside. If we opened up very close to that zone, that's what I would look for. Looking for a 15-minute supply zone, I see a good area here. So using this low of 195.36, I'm going to draw my supply zone, and I'm going to draw it all the way across. So now we have multiple zones for Tesla. The only thing that is left is to be very patient and wait for these zones to be touched and wait for price action to confirm our levels. The larger the time frame zone, the larger the expected move is. This is how I trade supply and demand, and this is how I find my levels every single day. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Peace.